Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV. Listen, you guys, please make sure that you are subscribed to both my channels. Subscribe to unbothered and also Reality Buzz TV, depending on whether Umkosi is just general celebrity Umkosi or it's Reality TV Umkosi. I will be posting on both the channels. So make sure that you don't miss out on Umkosi because you are not subscribed to both the channels. Do yourself a favor and subscribe everywhere. Listen, you guys. So one of my lovely viewers on Facebook sent me a message and said, "Dando, please check out Vuyo's Instagram. It looks like she has deleted the photos of Mpumelelo, you guys." Okay, and I was like, "Let me check it out." Okay. And then I'm checking her Instagram. I'll show you what I saw, you guys. I'll show you what I saw. Why is this relevant, you guys? Because, of course, we're trying to see how it has maybe affected them. The fact that Mpumelelo Mseleku went on national TV and told his parents and public at large that he actually wants a virgin as his first wife. Okay, we all know that Vuyo was already calling herself Umamkulu. The others were calling her Umamkulu, which means that she was hoping that she was going to be the one that would be married first to Mpumelelo Mseleku. But Mpumelelo Mseleku, it sounds like he has other plans. Okay, so we don't know, you guys. Is she still going to continue with the relationship with Mpumelelo Mseleku? If Mpumelelo takes another wife as number one, what is going to happen? Okay, mind you guys, everything that happens on the show and even outside of the show right now, you guys, we have to watch it, but I can be suspicious a little bit, okay? Because sometimes they just do things to cause drama around the show so that people can talk about the show more, or even people that don't watch the show will want to watch the show. So they might be playing us, okay? They might be playing us. We don't know, because even the admission by Mpumelelo that he wants a virgin wife, it might just be a storyline on the show. Maybe it's never going to happen. And maybe it is set up that Vuyo must react a certain way so that we get to talk about the show. We don't know. And also, it might be real. It might be real that she also found out that, her man wants a virgin as a wife, that she's not going to be that first wife. And that's why she is reacting, you guys. So I went on her Instagram and I checked here on her post, you guys. Okay, so these are all of her recent photos. This is when she was still pregnant. I think that was a baby shower. So I was checking and checking and checking here, and I was not seeing Mpumelelo, you guys. I was not seeing Mpumelelo. It's her and her babies. Okay, so Pegazi. Yeah, you see. So Nompumelelo photos here. And I think this is the new baby. This is a new baby, okay? And then you guys, if you go to the photos where she was tagged, that's where you see Mpumelelo. This is the photo of her, Mpumelelo, and Tirelo. But on these photos are the photos that she was tagged by someone else. I don't know if you can delete those from your profile, you guys. So you can see here where they were doing a photo shoot for the show. There is Mpumelelo there, but the photos that she posted herself, there is no Mpumelelo. So it leads me to believe that she likely did delete those photos, you guys. Let's see her reels and see if there's anything there. I think, you guys, sometimes celebrities, I guess now she is a celebrity. I mean, she's on Ingani's team. Sometimes they know that once if they unfollow somebody or they delete certain pictures, that we are going to interpret it somehow, we're going to make certain conclusions. So sometimes they are setting us up, but sometimes it's really what they're going through. Because sometimes when you're fighting with somebody, for an example, you don't want them on your social media. So I don't know, you guys. It could be because of what Mpumelelo said on the show, I don't know if she was aware already that that is what he wants, or maybe she just found out, like the rest of us, that he now wants a virgin and she's probably not going to be the first wife. And then she was like, this is it, I'm deleting these photos. Does that mean that the relationship is over? Of course, we don't know, you guys. And also, what we have to keep in mind is that while we are watching Uthando Nesithembu, they're also preparing for the next season of Ingane Zesithembu. So maybe it's sort of a setup for us to have that feeling, or be left with that feeling of wanting to know what's going to happen on the next season of Ingane Zesithembu. Is Vuyo still going to be part of the show? Is the virgin that Mpumelelo wants to marry going to be part of the show? Are they still going to be together, all as a happy family? Also, you guys did go and check on Tirelo's page, because I was like, okay, because remember, it seemed like on Ingane Zesithembu that they talk Tirelo naye uVuyo. So when they're upset about something with Mpumelelo, they will be calling each other and be like, it was really good to end. And you remember when it was Queen Lolly's story, and they were calling each other and be like, indoda yethu yenzeni. So I wanted to see ukuthi azake bafonelane this time, and they were like, you know what, let's just delete him, asimdelete so it too. It seemed like, you guys, Tirelo, there are some pictures there. It's the same picture that Vuyo has, but Vuyo is tagged. So it makes me feel like maybe this picture here, Tirelo had tagged Vuyo. Let me just see if I open it, I'll be able to see. And how do you see if someone is tagged on the picture? I don't know. Okay. And so Tirelo, it doesn't seem like Tirelo has deleted the pictures, you guys. There's one. Okay, maybe some. There's another one. When they're pregnant, there's another one. There's another one. Okay, Tirelo still has her man. Okay. Yeah. Listen, you guys, I can understand how the reaction might be different between the two of them, because, of course, Vuyo came first in the relationship. And maybe when she came first, she did not know that there was going to be many others that were going to follow. I don't know, you guys. And then Tirelo came, already there was Vuyo and others. So maybe she understands, she is willing to accept, the virgin story more than Vuyo is willing to accept it. Anyway, Tirelo was not Mamkulu, according to them. So I guess her position is not changing if the virgin comes. She's just going to be number 3. But what's the difference between number 3 and number 2? You're still just one of the many, okay? One of the many wives, if they all end up being wives. That is it, you guys. Vuyo, it looks like she has deleted Mpumelelo's pictures from her Instagram. What it means, you guys, we really can't say, okay? Maybe she's just upset for now, okay? Men will do stupid things sometimes, and you have to show them that you are upset. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. What do you think about it? Is it something that is not really that significant and you feel like it doesn't mean anything? Maybe she was just in a mood for the day. Or do you feel like it has anything to do with the fact that Mpumelelo is out here telling us and the rest of the world that he will be marrying a virgin first? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegiona. Guys, if you don't like multiple videos about Uthando Nesithembu, don't come in the comment section and say, stop talking about this family. Just don't watch the video, because some of us, we enjoy it. We can watch 100 videos about Uthando Nesithembu. We really don't mind. So if you do mind, watch other videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegiona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Nginithanda kakhulu.